To open your hood, just below your steering column, there is a small lever. Just pull forward and it'll initially pop the hood. Then on the front of your hood, you'll need to slightly raise up. It won't open, so right inside to the left of the crease, you'll feel a small lever. Pull it to the right, and then you'll be able to lift the hood up. This is the lever that is hidden underneath of the hood. That will release it, and you'll be able to do what you need to do. To replace the turn signal or corner marking bulbs, you will reach directly behind the bulb location, and you'll feel a flat tab. You'll get about 1/8 of a turn, twisting it to release the bulb from the housing. This is what you're feeling for. Once the bulb is out, you will pull the bulb that is burnt out, then replace it with your new bulb. I always recommend to wipe off any smear marks because it does affect your lighting and you don't want moisture unnecessarily in your housing. To reinstall, you'll put the bulb back into the location that you found it, and you may twist around until you feel that it falls all the way even with the housing, and then give it that same 1/8 of a twist right back up, straight up and down is where this one's supposed to be. This bulb should be ready to go.